Latest no transfer news amathama amaningi athenga yabe yakhe team iyathenga na. Sanibona bafethu uvane lo sokuzoqala ngomdlali owayedlalela eMamelodi Sundowns okuba na okuLucas Ribeiro Costa. Iclub ke bikade mfuna okuyiEsperance isiconfirmile ukuthi ke umjida sebemsayinile use umdlali omusha weEsperance. Umjida ke nje uzojoyina ngokuzwa kwamthiwa ke usayine ideal ya 3 years with yona iEsperance. Umjida ke sesombona edlala kuyona iCAF Champions League. I cannot wait to see uRibeiro Costa edlala against yona eMamelodi Sundowns, their former team. Kodwa ke ngike ngazi ukuthi ke indaba zakhe with eMamelodi Sundowns regarding icase ingabe ke zilungisiwe yini noma ke iEsperance ivele yakhipha imali yakhuluma naye eMamelodi Sundowns. Lokho ke akudingidangwa abasitshelanga ukuthi ke kahle kahle bamsayine on a permanent transfer noma ke umthenge kuyona eMamelodi Sundowns. Lokho ke abakudalulanga kodwa ke engakusho nje yena use umdlali wani na wayo Esperance. Kwezinye zeindaba ubeka umdlali obedlalele Orlando Pirates okuba na okuyanga Madiba. Uyanga Madiba ke bafethu kuthiwa ke umjida he has left the Orlando Pirates has sold him kwinina kwiMaromo Gallants. iMaromo Gallants ke le edlala kuyona iBetway Premiership. Remember ke he was loaned kwi-Orbit College last season edlala kuyona kwiBetway Premiership, but iOrlando Pirates decide ukuthi ke imdayise. Lo mjida le uyi-left back yayo Orlando Pirates. I think it is understandable iyayenza isense ukuthi ke simdayise because mase ubheke lapha ku left back ikhona icompetition and ke iningi kakhulu abondaba aboneorapo abobani na abohotho. So ukuthi ke simdayise kuyayenza kakhulu isense. Yabo ungangitshela kodwa wena kuma comments, do you think Orlando Pirates bengimele mhlambe ke imnikeze ithuba? Mina ngokubona kwami I think it does make sense. He is a DDC product. So ukuthi ke simdayise kenza nje kakhulu isense. Kwezinye izindaba I spoke about uTylon Smith ukuthi ke umjida uloniwe iQueens Park Rangers izolo. Iconfirmile ke bafethu iQueens Park Rangers ukuthi ke umjida uloniwe iclub ebizwa ngani na ebizwa ngeNew England Revolution. Umjida ke bamthole on a loan from iQueens Park Rangers FC, but ke lo loan le ino option to make the deal permanent. Let's hope umjida ke uzofika adlale kahle kuyona iMLS, adlale nabo lapha na obani na obuso Disejane nabo Mbekezeli Mbokazi. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile abafethu the former Stelis goalkeeper okuba nawo ku-Oscarine Masuluke. Umjida ke he is currently training with iclub edlala le kwi-NFD okuyibini na kwi-Real Native FC ebikade ibizwa ngeKaizer Stars. Let's hope umjida ke uzokwazi ayithole icontract kuyona iReal Native FC. Umjida ke he was recently released by sona iStelis. Yabo kuStelis ke ubeyithola yena igame time, but ke iStelis last season decide ukuthi ke si release abadlali abaningi neshwa ke naye. He was part of that list of players who were getting released by sona iStelis. Let's hope uzokwazi ke impress i-technical team yayo iReal Native FC akwazi ukuthi ke assignwe as their newest goalkeeper. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu umasipala wasePolokwane uconfirmile ukuthi ke i-old Peter Mokaba Stadium ne-new Peter Mokaba Stadium they are fully ready to host wonke ama games azayo. Yabo njenganje ne-semi-final yeMTN Need lapho khona siyobona khona Orlando Pirates ibhekana phezulu with iOrlando Pirates. Isikhukhune United siyobhekana phezulu with iOrlando Pirates. Yabo so igame ke bafethu izodlalwa khona laphana eNew Peter Mokaba Stadium. So zo2 stadiums right kakhulu kuzoba kuyona ke isikhukhune ukuthi ke si choose iOld Peter Mokaba Stadium noma ke iNew Peter Mokaba Stadium. Remember le stadium besalungiswa njoba ke kwi-pre-season i-stadium ade singekho right, so ade ngadlalwa kuyona eNew Peter Mokaba Stadium so far, but ke isibuyile i-pitch isi right sesizokwazi ke siyobukela ibhola khona eNew Peter Mokaba Stadium. Kwezinye izindawo abafethu ke uEthan Brooks sobekumdlali owayedlalela owayedlalela iTS Galaxy. Umjida ke kuthiwa ke usebuyile phesheya. Remember ke he was playing for iclub yaseGreece edlala le Europe. Umjida ke usebuyile la eSouth Africa. Kuthiwa ke he agreed a deal with iDurban City. Yabo into engiyithanda kakhulu ke with late move le vele ubedlala khona la eDurban edlalela amaZulu before he moved overseas. So he is back here in his hometown at Durban uyodlalela iDurban City, which is a very very good move for him. Let's hope mefika kuyona iDurban City uzofike ke ayithole game time. Umjida ke he was one of those youngsters engangiwathanda kakhulu esakhula. Angazi kwenzakalani ngempela ngayo umjida because I thought he had potential ukuthi ke adlale kahle. Yes, he went overseas ayodlala iclub yaseGreece, but ke it seems like adlala ngesikhathi esiningi lapha eGreece. Yabo aka improvanga kule level le ngangitsho ukuthi ke uzo improve. I remember when he was playing for ETS Galaxy, he moved from ETS Galaxy waya kumaZulu. After he joined amaZulu, I feel like istandard sakhe savele sadropa kakhulu, which is something eyangixaka kakhulu regarding yena Ethan Brooks. Kwezinye izindawo afethiwa ke iMamelodi Sundowns are exploring imove yale Europe for umdlalo wabo wa under 20 okubani na okuthathu Sibiya. Kuthiwa ke maningi amaclub amfuna uthathu Sibiya le eEurope. So Mamelodi Sundowns ifuna ke ukumdayisa nayo mfana omncane after ke you saw ukuthi ke bakwazile ukuthi ke bamdayise uMaseko. So le deal le ingaba inhle kakhulu for ifuture yakhe umfana omncane bafethu uthathu Sibiya athu ke ukuya eEurope. Bayabona ke lapha ku Sundowns ukuthi ke akumele sibavalele abafana abancane, kumele sibadedele babe nefuture eright kakhulu. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu uRamahlwe Mphahlele uconfirmile ukuthi ke useyayibeka induku ebala. Useretire ke bafethu uRamahlwe Mphahlele ukhulumile nabayindaba izolo washo ukuthi ke I'm done playing football. I'm not looking for a team. I have decided to retire after 20 years. Nizomkhumbula ke edlalela amateam amaningi la ku Premiership, but ke nizomkhumbula kahle kakhulu edlalela yona inina iKaizer Chiefs. Wayemuhle kakhulu kuKaizer Chiefs. Ngathi ke angaretire kahle. I hope uzokwazi ukuthi ayithole incwadi mhlambe ke ajoine icoaching njengabanye abadlali esijwayele ukubabona bekwenza lokho. Bakhona uBernard Parker, his former teammates, siyambona lapha ke he's shining with ETS Galaxy. Let's hope he will follow those footsteps noma ke enze nje something football related. No kukuyena kodwa. Kwezezindaba bafethu ke iDDC Orlando Pirates have confirmed ukuthi ke they are going to Holland, which is Netherlands. Bazoshaya nje a 9-day winners tour le eNetherlands lapho khona bayobhena nama club akhona le eNetherlands. Yabo bayitesta kancane before babuyele khona la ku Betway Premiership, which is a very very weird thing because sijwayele ukwabona amanye ama teams may win iDDC ukuthi ke aya ku Premier League awudlala ama competition with ke ama clubs akhona ku Premier League. Ngeke ngazi noma ke nalokho kuzowenziwa yini noma ke Orlando Pirates yona vele yadecide ukuthi ke iye Netherlands. Yabo I will never know, but ke you can tell me in the comments if this is a separate tour that was done by Orlando Pirates and the multi-choice. In other news, a Brazilian striker kuthiwa ke he is being offered to EPSL kuma clubs akhona la ku EPSL. Remember ke this striker lesibafethu bezidlala le ku United Arab Emirates. Yabo kule club le edlala le ku United Arab Emirates ebizwa nge Al Battay. Igama lestrike uAlvaro bafethu, he was linked with the Orlando Pirates last season if I'm not mistaken. Yabo kuthiwa ke currently umjele ke uyi-free agent and ke una 25 years old. Njengoba ena 25 years old, ama club akhona la ku Betway Premiership asengamsayina as a free agent. Kukuona kama clubs ukuthi ke are they interested in signing this striker who is a Brazilian? Singesazi, but ke mina ngokubona kwami I think Orlando Pirates must really pounce in signing this player. Yabo recently we signed a Norwegian striker. Yabo we recently signed a Norwegian striker. I think ngakujabulela ukuthi ke bathole esinye striker sase Brazil ukuthi ke babalansise izinto. Yabo kwezezindaba eziphumile kuthiwa ke uOrlando Pirates izolona uEthan Versace imlone ku-Orbit College le idlala ku-NFD ezansi. Ugoalkeeper ke siyamazi bafethu wajoin uOrlando Pirates I think ngale ya season leya ngosikhathi ke kukhona uJose Riviero kuOrlando Pirates. Umjita ke nje uhamba nje kuyona uOrlando Pirates ngokungena kwabani na ngongena kwaDublin Boone oqhamuka le kwiSteelers. Kwezinye izindaba iMamelodi Sundowns kuthiwa ke izolona 2 of their players okuJori February and Ukobamelo Kodisa.